Amen, brother. Gotta get the B-roll. I need about 10 seconds. 10 seconds on this shit. Yeah, my boy Marcus comes back with the plug. Juju, man. Boo! Juju! No? So we walk into the Panthers game. Got the VIP parking. Thanks to man Oliver, Mike Marcus Oliver again. I'm pretty sure his last name isn't Oliver, but I call him that in English. It's Oliver. I call him that every daggone day. So this is a true friend. I'm pretty sure he wanted to smack me in the mouth, but it's all good. Hey, boo.
I've heard it butchered every way possible.
Honestly, I think it's easier for me to say Oliver, so I just say it. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna comment on that when the phone's off.
Yeah, give me crap, but we're on the way.
Oliver is D-Max though.
Yeah, that's true.
I was not a fan of D-Max. All the tickets are electronic.
Yeah.
And it's so weird trying to get it on the app.
Walking. Who's at Lowe's tent? Which one we gotta go to?
Well, I usually go in there, but that's when I had the box tickets. So I don't think these are Silver Club. Just South Club. You go walk around a little bit.
Oh. Hey. Hey, dude.
I don't know what we were saying.
That's my man.
What we were saying.
Live and direct the game went by. Finally not working the Lowe's event. I don't even see the queue or anybody out there. Cool. What do you think about? There he is, the man with the plan. Come on, boo. Come on. Move your feet.
Yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna grab a beer as well.
Yeah.
Go ahead!
The big boys are here.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Don't worry, have some
Will Bucks for the point after attempt.
What do you think about that? Terrible. When the Panthers are losing, you're pissed.
Go to the character.
were randomly placed under a row of seats for a few lucky winners. Take a look under your seat.
Yeah, Juju!
Winners will receive a Panthers prize bag courtesy of the Panthers and honor of fair appreciation.
I think he's recording.
Congratulations to all of our winners.
Cameraman's
The
gonna be
Panthers
by the third
representative
quarter.
will deliver your prize shortly.
Hopefully you guys will be here. Leave the boxes. Get forward in there. Let us know. Chicken, sauce. Have a good time. Thank you. Congratulations.
It's time now for Diamonds Direct. And you win a $1,000 gift certificate today.
This. What else we got in here? Got some cozies.
Hold it. Offense number 61. Cameron Kennedy. Second down.
Got a shirt for the move. Got some chicken.
You had to put your name in, right?
Yeah, it says hashtag bring me.
Pass ball's incomplete, intended for.
You kiss him over here. It's gonna be a hell of a vlog. It's gonna be a hell of a vlog, man. Yeah, 'cause I got all this shit to put in there.
Kyle Allen with the completion to Brandon Zylstra.
You having a good day, Boop?
Greg Robertson with the tackle.
You having a good day?
5-yard gain, 3rd down and 1 at the 33.
You having fun?
Joey Slide will kick off.
Minutes and there's only like a little extra stuff. It's not too much extra.
Give me my hat.
Good.
You happy? Have a good first game? Look at Marcus. He's gone.
It's good.
Panthers did get blasted, but that's okay. But, me and my boot. Say something.
Well, at least we got chicken.
Yeah, we got chicken. Big boat box. Successful first game with my guy. No, you can't have that. Because he gonna throw my hat. I know him. I know my son. No. Say it, boo. Well, that was that. In this Sunday Fun Day vlog. Peace.